Hey everybody, Chelsea down at Mare's. It's Halloween time. Everybody likes to get a little crazy. Today I'm gonna have some more Halloween and like fall crafts for you guys. We'll start with this one because you're probably like, what are you doing with road cones? I have two basic road cones here. This is just a little jack-o'-lantern face on him. I use this contact paper that we have, and I actually just like cut these little pieces out and then I just stuck them on there, real simple. So you'd actually do that to two of these, and then we sell these glow sticks. We have the bracelet ones, so you just, crack them, connect a couple of them together, and you're actually gonna do ring toss with the kids with this. You could have this set up out front of your house for the trick-or-treaters when they come, and they could play a game of ring toss. Cute little project. When you're done, you just peel these little things off. It's not permanent, and you can use the road cones wherever you need. Another one for the kids. We have the gallon paint cans. I just took this outside and I just spray painted it white. Now give this to your kids and let them decorate it, however they want. And this is their little candy bucket. They can put anything on here. Maybe you have Halloween stickers, all kinds of stuff. Let your kids decorate this for their little bucket. This one is actually something that I did at my house. This is just, a really cheap little bucket for candy. I actually, if you just cut a hole in the bottom of this thing, which I just have, a regular utility knife here, it might like crack a little bit on you, but that doesn't matter. You just want to get like, a decent size hole here. Doesn't matter what it looks like. It doesn't have to be pretty. And you'd actually take this thing, like I have a wall sconce light out in front of my house. I have this really cool LED motion censored light that we sell here. I actually took my little glass wall sconce off, took the light bulb out, put this on, and then I put my light bulb back in, and it's a little pumpkin light on your porch. How cute, guys. Really simple. Back to the mason jars. Love the mason jars. You'll learn. I do everything with mason jars. I just did some really, really basic candy corn sprays, with my Rust-Oleum. We got all different colors here. This one I did a little something different. I used the contact paper again, and I'll show you what I did. So I actually cut a little witch hat out with this one. So it's just this contact paper, I just drew my little thing on there. I never can peel these. Let's see if I can peel it. Maybe. I had to make other people peel them yesterday for me because I couldn't do it. Should have brought an assistant. Okay, I got it. Patience. So I literally would just stick this on here, just like that. And then whatever spray paint you want, just take it outside. Shh. And then you would just peel it off. And that's how I got the leaf on there. I'd put a little candle in there to dress this thing up. Get some twine. Just tie a little bow. Trim my end, make it a little more even. Perfect, just like that. Put a little candle in there and you'd see it coming through nice and cute. This one, I started because I couldn't show you guys all the steps, but my first step was I painted this board white. Once again, my contact paper, I cut these little circle shapes out and I put them on there, and then I sprayed it orange. So now that I did that, we're gonna peel all these off. So it gets you, that pattern. This was just a piece of scrap wood I had downstairs. I just took the jigsaw and cut it to whatever size I wanted. You can do all different sizes. We sell like round pieces of board here that you could do that. I drilled 2 little holes in the top so that I can hang it. I just have some basic black wire that we sell. So I just put it through here. I like to do this little like curly Q thing. You might not like that. Some people do, some people don't. You could just loop it through if you don't like that. Just kind of gives it a little character. just have some basic little craft paint that we sell here. Just a little artist brush, a little scrap piece of paper. And then on here, I'm actually just gonna write trick or treat. I don't like things to be perfect. Some people want to get stencils out and make everything, you know, perfect. I'm not about that. I like to just kind of, you know, freehand things, and it is what it is. Which you could put stickers on here. I mean, there's all types of things. We sell, you know, the packs of all the letters of stickers. So if you wanted it to be nice and neat, you could do that as well. And then, so that, and I did the back already. Let me show you guys, out of candy. So I put little spiders and stuff, you know, on the front. You could get a little more fancy. Cute little sign. Did not take much time at all. For our next project, we're gonna take a little step to the side here. I have a couple tomato cages. First one I'm gonna show you, this is so simple, guys. We don't sell this garland here, but you can pick this stuff up like anywhere. The tomato cages we do sell though, so I wanted to show this to you guys. This actually has lights in it, so if yours has lights in it, make sure you put the plug in down at the bottom. So I'm literally just gonna take this, just kind of loop it around here. You might need to like zip tie it. I didn't need to. Very simple little project, guys. You literally would just like put that out on your porch, you know, put your pumpkin there, maybe have some other little decorations you want to put out. This thing's cool. It does have the orange lights in it, so it'll be really cool on your porch at nighttime. I'm gonna do one more with the tomato cages today. This is just a basic black contractor bag. We sell these things here. This one I think is a 42 gallon. I think if you had like a 30 gallon, it'd probably be too small, so you need something a little bit bigger. I'm just gonna drape this over the tomato cage. And then, you know, you kind of have like this funny point here. You're just gonna kind of roll this up a little bit. Just like that. Then, I have a piece of burlap that I cut off of my roll of burlap that I've used in previous crafts. I'm literally just gonna take this and do a little tie around here. Fluff this thing out a little bit at the bottom. Simple little craft, guys. It's a witch hat. Now, if you're gonna put this out in like your lawn, we do sell like garden staples. I would suggest that you like take the little garden staples and anchor it to the ground, you know, because it really does not have much weight. It'd probably be all over the place, especially, you know, with the wind we had last night. It was crazy. Thank you, everybody. Come down to Mayors, get your supplies you need to make these cute Halloween and fall crafts. Hope to see you guys next time. Thank you.